Bought this a bit ago. Haven't only used it once. See the oil level? It's down. All the oil drained out all over my $6,000 generator. Had a new generator. It's a welding one, Lincoln. And this stupid thing leaked all over it. This cheap pump. You can see there's oily residue. I had it in this bag. The whole bag is just oiled down. I had the instruments and everything else in it. And it's like, geez, wasted all that money on it. Now I'm gonna have to, they probably won't refund my money because it's been too long. But I probably have to take it apart and see how I can, I don't know, fix the seal. Chinese products, they don't work long.
Just put a new AC compressor and kit with the accumulator and stuff in the Camaro here, and I am currently pumping it out, purging the system. Pumped it down to -30, which is where the needles are right now, and then let it sit for 45 minutes with the gauges shut, and it didn't leak at all. That's kind of the leak down test. So now I'm pumping it out for another hour just to get all the contaminants out of the system, any moisture and whatnot. There's a little pump running. And then I'm going to be filling it with refrigerant. See how she goes.
Refrigerant in the car that comes in this compact carry bag. Everything needs excluded. Pretty heavy duty. And gauges, and hoses, and instructions. And then inside you also have your pump, and it comes with the vacuum pump oil. I'll update once I've used it.
Good, check out this bad boy. What it does is it pulls all the air out of the line in a negative. Then when it gets all the way down to negative, you'll turn it off. And don't let it, if it rises, you got a leak. But I know I don't have a leak because I use nitrogen. But this will just get anything out of the lines.
Got the vacuum. We are vacuuming out the system.